Hello everyone, I am Shupriya Ghoshal, faculty of Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Science and Technology. Today I will discuss about the topic that is settlement of shallow foundation. In this slide, I have discussed about what is the definition of shallow foundation and what are the type of settlement and their definition. First of all, I have discussed about the shallow foundation definition. The shallow foundation is also known as a stepped foundation if the depth of foundation is less than the width of foundation. Then it is known as shallow or stepped foundation. It can be used where the bearing capacity of soil on which the structure is to be constructed is maximum, then shallow foundation can be used. The minimum depth of this foundation is 800 mm and the maximum depth is not to be taken more than 4 meter. Then I have discussed about what is immediate settlement and consolidation settlement. Settlement are generally two types. First, immediate settlement. The immediate settlement is also sometimes called volume distortion settlement. Essentially, this is the rearrangement of grains due to changing stress, resulting in a reduction in void ratio and instant settlement. In more texts, the immediate settlement is considered to be an elastic process. Then, consolidation settlement. Consolidation settlement, the volume change in saturated cohesive soil because of the expulsion of water from void spaces. In this slide, I have discussed about the estimation of settlement. In questions, we have to find out the total settlement, and the total settlement means immediate settlement plus consolidation settlement. So first of all, we have to know what is the formula of immediate settlement. Immediate settlement denotation is SI and the formula is SI equal to QN into B by E into 1 minus mu square into IP. Qn means net foundation pressure, B means width of foundation, mu means Poisson's ratio, E means Young's modulus of soil, and IP means influence coefficient whose magnitude depends upon the geometry of foundation. And here there is a chart that is L by B and value of P. If the L by B 1, then the value of IP is 1.12. Then the E value calculated from E by Cu ratio. Cu means undrained shear strength and E by Cu value varies from 500 to 1500. But generally E by Cu value we have to take in, that is 600. In previous slide, I have already discussed about the immediate settlement, and in this slide I have discussed about the consolidation settlement or SC. The formula of SC equal to summation of CC by 1 plus E0 into H into log base P0 plus del P by P0. Here CC by 1 plus E0 means compressibility index for soil. H means thickness of compressible strata. P0 means effective overburden pressure at the center of strata. Del P means increase in vertical stress at the center of strata due to the foundation loading. Then we have to calculate the corrected SC, and the formula of corrected SC is pore pressure correction factor into SC calculated. First of all, we have to calculate SC normal, then we have calculated SC corrected. Again, the consolidation settlement SC formula is summation of MV del PH. MV means coefficient of volume compressibility. Then finally we have to calculate the total settlement. The formula of total settlement is immediate settlement plus consolidation settlement.